Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. It's no secret that I do an insane amount of email campaigns per day. I send out over 100,000 every 24 hours, and it's easy. All right, I just compose an email, and usually I just use an email that I've used the last 2 or 3 years, and I just tweak it a little bit, change the subject, maybe rewrite it a little bit, and send it out. Okay. The more personal I make the email, like let's say the Super Bowl is tomorrow, and I say, hey, I know the Super Bowl's tomorrow, but it could be the first day of spring tomorrow. I reference that. Maybe it's a Friday, and I say, hey, I know the weekend is in a couple hours. Hope you have a good weekend, but okay, I'm just really good at using emails, and I have about 150 saved up that I'll give you for free, and you can tweak them yourself if you'd like. Okay. And I'll even give you the subjects to put in those emails to get them open, because that's extremely important. Because if your email message says, hey, you want to make money in the subject line, people are just going to delete it, not even open your email to even click a link to join something that you might be selling or you want them to join. So it's very critical that you have a good list and you're sending to people that do want to earn money or make money at home, something in that realm, okay? And then the subject is super, super important. You got to get that email open. Okay? Then the email's got to be kind of simple, kind of fun, kind of mysterious, all right, compelling, so that people will click. And then usually, in my case, I like to lead them to a video to watch. And it's to a company that if they join, there's customer service, there's training, setup videos, everything is done by video. Super easy, okay? I don't stock anything. Like, I don't run over and stalk people with goggles and binoculars. I mean stock, like put a bunch of products on the other side of this wall that I have to ship and pretend to buy to get bonuses and all that other crap, okay, and commissions. All right? I love just selling things online, tools, systems, opportunities. And if somebody wants to buy something, okay, that's a product, I want that company to ship and handle and do all that mess, okay? But I'm really good at emailing. And I know you can too. You don't have to do video like this. You can be shy. But if you have no experience, no big deal. I'll gladly send you 150 emails that have worked for me and just change them a little bit. Put your name at the bottom and put the link to whatever you might be selling. And that's it. Okay, so this is the company I want you to look at. I want you to go to this link. It's going to be orderleadstoday.com, and I'll pop it up, or it might be at the bottom of the screen or whatever, but if you guys can remember, just orderleadstoday.com. You're going to go to this page. Please watch this video. It's well done. It explains 100% what I do. And it is cheap. It's only $30 a month, $1 a day, and I get 1 to 200 leads a day of people looking for an opportunity to maybe make money in their pajamas, at home, behind their steering wheel in their car. People are coming to me to make a plea of, do you have anything? I got a headache. I'm tired of working for my boss. I just want to make money at home. Do you have something, Cory? Well, I send them an opportunity. Okay, and I got several that kick ass. Okay, that's why I joined this company not only once. I have 7 accounts with this company. Okay, and they have an affiliate program where they pay me about $2,500 a month, which is exciting. But what I do is I just simply invite people to this page. And then if you want to join, you just hit this little red button that says Join MLGS Now. And that's it. My work's done. This video explains everything. And if you don't want to do it, you just delete this email, delete this website, and go on your way. And if you want to join, you can't miss the word join at that bottom left rectangle there, right? Now, when you join, this is what you're going to go to. This is your login page. This is what it looks like in the back office, as people like to call it. Okay, I was going to say, my lead gen secret. I feel like I'm from, hello, matey. My lead gen secret, if I can speak here, this is the company, and no one's even going to know about the name of the company. Okay, it's what this company does. And if you do join, I want you to just go through these tabs, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to send an email. Okay, you go to the mailing system tab in the middle, and look at how many I send. If I hit select all, do you know just this one account out of the other 6 I have, there's 101,500 messages I can send every single one of them in one click. Okay, so I just go here, mail by date. I go ahead and click that select all button. And here, look at how many emails I have pre-written. Look at that, 100. And let's say I just want to send this one right here. I know you can do this. I hit the load button. Do you see the subject? I know you can do this. That's how I get people to open their mail. They're like, you know I can open what? I mean, I always ask a question. I don't put like, hey, you want to make money? People delete it. And then look at this. The email's already written. Look at that. Simple. Okay? Now, you can send one email per account every 23 hours. Not 24. They stagger it. They can do 1 hour less. Every 23 hours, a little button right here in this white section, it'll say send. And once this counter timer, see it says 1 hour and 45 minutes or 46 minutes? This is counting backwards. When this goes to 00, that's when the button send pops up. So what I can do is, if I want to send this email, I can proofread it. There's a little preview button so I can send the email basically to myself to make sure the links go through. And I send it, and guess what? This counter timer goes to 23 hours and counts backwards. So tomorrow, I can send another email to how many? 101,700. Because I get not only 100 new leads a day, I get 200. Because when someone signs up in my group doing this, they give me an extra 100 a day. See this where it says 2-3? That's today's date. I get 200 a day. Look at how many. Every day I get 200 more. And I send them out all at once. Look at that. I got 101,000 emails. Awesome, isn't it? And then, boom, look at that. Here's a little feature too. See where it says perfect timing? What this feature does, and you can just highlight it in this black box you can read, but to kind of sum it up, short and simple, if I hit this little button, when I go ahead and click send, what this software does is it will analyze when each person opens their email the most popular time, 6 in the morning, 6 at night, or throughout the day, because they'll send the email according to when they open the email the most, because they want my email here to be at the top of their list. It doesn't want to be buried in spam or junk, or, if they get 50 emails, I don't want to be at the bottom. I like to be at the top when they open their email, like let's say Gmail account or Yahoo, whatever. But you can click that for free. It doesn't cost nothing to hit perfect timing. I hit it every time because I figure with today's technology, it's smarter than I am. So I just do a nice little email like this. I hit perfect timing. I go ahead and I hit select all. I put all my emails every day. I send them out every day. And if people want to opt out, or let's say their email is just no longer active, they just get rid of it. This company, My Lead Gen, they do all that. They worry about the spam issues and all the compliance bullcrap. All I do is email. That's it. I do a nice, fun, short email and let this company do everything else. So if you're interested, please go to here, let me just type it in. I think it's easier if you see it. Okay, so order and then leads today.com. I don't know if you can see that up there. I'll highlight it. But that's it, guys. I just invite you to that link, and it'll go to this exact page here. And if you join this system, not only are you going to be emailing like a maniac like me, but I want you to do the same thing and use this exact page and invite people to your account, because then you get 200 a day. And on top of that, they pay you cash for your leads. This company, guys, gives me over a couple $1,000 a month. I mean, that's exciting. Like right now, I've already made $96 just with this account because I logged in right here. See where it says affiliates? All you do is click affiliates and hit commissions. Scroll to the bottom and look at how many people I have now in this system. Look at this. I could scroll for days. Look at all that money coming into my account. Look, guys, I can be here for 10 minutes and not reach to the bottom of all the $5, the $4 bills, the $100 bills. Look at this. It's just nonstop. It just goes on and on to the break of dawn, guys. I want you to do this too. All you got to do is just sign up. You got $1 a day? I think you do, don't you? You got $30 a month to get 3,000 email leads. 100 a day times 30. The average month, right now it's February. I know we only got, about 28 or 29 days if it's a leap year or not. but I just say 30 bucks for 3,000 leads. And if you get one person to sign up with you, which I have no doubt you will, 200 a day. 6,000 leads a month. And they have an affiliate program where they'll pay you cash. This is like the greatest. I almost feel guilty that I even get pay from this company. It's just like, ugh. Even if all my other incomes just disappear, I can't stop this money. Every day I got people signing up and signing up. Not only in this is just one account. I have 6 other ones of the exact same company. So if you want to join this company, you can use the same credit card, just get a different email address. So if you start making way more than 30 to 60 bucks a month by using this, why not spend another 30 bucks and get 2 accounts? Get 3 accounts. Okay? I want 10, 20, 30,000 leads a month. Okay, and I make way more than a couple $100 a month with this company. So I just kept doing, well, I got another 30 bucks. Well, let's spend 60. Well, I make way more than 60 a month using this with my leads. Why not get another account? Why not get another 3,000 leads for 30 bucks? That's what I've done. You don't have to do it. If you have 30 bucks a month, let's just do baby steps. But let's get you emailing. Okay? And if you have no emails, don't worry. I'll send you, just as an attachment through your email, 150 emails. You just fill in the blanks or change them any way you want. Free. I don't need your money. If you join, this is more than enough for me to do high five. Okay? And I'll send you the subjects to put in those emails to get them open as well, okay? All free. Don't want a dime, guys. I just appreciate you watching my videos here. And when you join, this is just so exciting. But this is a cool company. Nice owner, too, by the way. He's a good guy. All right. orderleadstoday.com. That's all you got to do, okay? All right, guys. Happy emailing. Let's get you going. They sure work. I'll tell you, they've been around, what, 35, 40 years, and emails work just as good as videos. So, all right. We'll talk to you soon, guys. All right. Peace and love. Bye.